Take a ride in the 2022 Infiniti Qx80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the Infiniti Qx80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The Qx80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, air suspension, rear, power windows with safety reverse, headlight cleaners, remote engine start, running boards, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, double wishbones. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.